Hello guys, welcome again. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Bing web browser, Bing search engine to write your academic research paper. Okay, look at the prompt we're going to use today. This is my research outline, the concept. This is the concept of organic chemistry. Please generate high quality academic content based on the provided outline. Utilize relevant academic resources published within the past 8 years to support your argument. Please ensure that these academic resources exist and are accessible. As you expand on the given outline, please include in-text citation and reference lists formatted in APA 6th edition. Of course, you can change it to your own edition. Additionally, maintain a formal and academic style throughout your writing. To ensure clarity and accuracy, let us explore this step by step. Please provide a thorough analysis and comprehensive discussion of each point outlined, supported by the up-to-date academic references. Remember to cite only verifiable sources properly in APA 6th edition. Don't make up reference. Ensure to cite the correct and existing sources. You understand? Okay? So this is the prompt we are going to use for our research. Let's say we are trying to research on this particular concept, on this particular research topic or outline. Okay, so we head over to Bing web browser. Okay, let me open a fresh page. This is Bing web browser, just like your Google web browser. Web in search engine. Okay, so let me see, Boy. Okay, just click anything and then you will be faced with this interface. Now this interface is just like the same thing you see on Google, right? But this time around it is Microsoft Bing. So you click on this chart. Now when you click on this chart, you discover we have more creative, more balanced, and more precise. These are the conversation style that exists. Now for this our research paper writing, the one that is effective is our more creative. Okay, so we're going to paste in our prompt. Okay, just observe what will happen now. This is the power of large language model, the power of large language model, or better said, AI. Okay, down in my video I'm going to see a course where I dive deep into these concepts for you to understand it. Okay, say yes, I understand your instruction and expectation. Please give me a few moments while I search for the best sources to generate your content for you. Thank you for your patience. Okay, you still want it? Okay, it's still giving me right. Okay, right for me. At times it just does something you don't expect, but okay, right. So let's exercise patience. Right. Okay, it has started. At times it will go straight to the point and write it for you. At times it will just tell you, wants you to, because of our prompts, we have restricted it. In fact, we have made it to, the prompt restricts it and enforces it to do exactly what you want it to do. That is why you are seeing this first response. It wants to make sure that it adheres to this command. Okay, and she's trying to make sure it adheres to the command. So then I told it, okay, right. As you can see, organic chemistry, and they are all referenced. And they are all verifiable. It's not made up. And let's say I don't like this type, I will tell it, okay, please rewrite it. I want it to be in a name. Okay, don't use number for in-text citation. Okay, don't use number for in-text citation. Use names rather. Text citation, use names rather. Do you understand? Now in my course I dived in deep into this, how you can actually do this effectively. Okay, do you understand? There are other prompts, just watch and see. Okay, as you can see, say here's an updated version. As you can see, wow, isn't this amazing? Look at the in-text citation, and they are all verifiable. They are not made up. So all you just do is just to copy it, paste it on the Word document, and then add it human touch and refine it, and you have done your research effectively. So please kindly check on the description below to see how you can get access to the full course. Thank you very much. These are the references, all written in APA style. You can change the format you want. Okay, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Thank you.